If you have never solved the cube before, then this is the time to do it. This is the method I use to teach for more people who do not believe that they can able to solve this. To learn all cases, you can watch my example solves that are in the description. So this is the time for your first cube. The first step is to solve the white cross. So search the white edge pieces, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first solve the bottom layer pieces, that's white and blue. So align the two colors, not matched, so matched. So take this up like this. So we get two pairs and white and red. So align the two colors and take this back. So finally white and green, that's here. So it should go here. Move this like this and take this back and reverse. So we have completed the white cross. The second step is to solve the rest of white pieces. To solve it, rotate your cube like this. To solve this corner pieces, you should learn the four moves. That's very easy. So this is the four moves. This is a right-handed four moves and left-handed four moves is like this: up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. So this is the four moves. So first we should solve this white, blue and red. So move it to the correct spots, that blue and red, and do the four moves. So we get one piece and two, that's white, blue, orange and blue, orange. So do this four moves. So the next, that's white, red and green. So move it to the correct spot and do the four moves. So in this case we get a flipped edge. So no problem, we can do the four moves and take this up and do it again. So we have solved the rest of white pieces. The third step is solving the second layer, so these pieces. So first red and green, align the two colors and move this here and do the four moves. Rotate to a cube and do the four moves again. So we get one edge piece solved and search for the next. So this is red and blue. So align the two colors, but this is the left-handed. So move this here and do the four moves in your left hand. Rotate to a cube and do this again. So two, and the third color is blue and orange. So align the two colors and move this here and do the four moves. Rotate to a cube and do this again. So the last case is a flipped edge. This should be switched like this. So no problem, you can do the same algorithm to take this out. Four moves, rotate to a cube, insert. So the piece come here, align the two colors, move this here, four moves, rotate, insert. So we get all edge pieces solved. Fourth step is to solve the plus in yellow color. Sometimes we get a dot or dash or small L. In this case we get a small L. So keep it like this and move this here, doing this F and four moves and reverse. So we get a dash. So do this again, F, four moves, reverse. So you get an cross. Ignore the corner pieces. The fifth step is align the two colors. So red is correctly solved and blue is also correctly solved, and the two edge pieces are wrong. So keep the solved pieces in your left and back and move this top layer and do the four moves and move this again and do this. So all the edge pieces are correctly solved. Step is solving the corner pieces like this. So to solve the corner pieces, match the two colors, red and blue, not matched with red and green. So green and orange is matched to green and orange. So keep this correctly matched pair in your top right, and right, up, left, up, right, down, left, down. So search the pieces, so not matched. So do this again, right, up, left, up, right, down, left and down. So get two corner piece matched. The final step is to solve the two pieces. This is very easy, and rotate to a cube like this and keep this unsolved piece here and do the foremost continuously. So we get one piece solved. And don't forget that you should not rotate to a cube like this. You should rotate the down layer. So do the foremost again. So we have solved the cube completely. So we have solved the cube completely. To learn all cases, you can watch my example solve videos, and to solve the cube faster, you should learn the advanced method of my next videos. So thanks for watching.